Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to change a BMW 1 Series gear knob. Start by parking on level ground, applying the handbrake, and disconnecting the battery to avoid power surprises. Wear gloves and protect trim with a cloth to prevent scratches. Remove surrounding trim carefully with plastic pry tools and keep screws in a tray. Take clear photos of the assembly before removal to help during reassembly and to ensure correct alignment. With the battery disconnected, remove the center console trim carefully using a plastic pry tool to access the gear knob base. Unfasten the retaining clip or screw holding the knob and note how the selector shaft engages the knob. Pull the knob straight up while guiding any electrical connector for heated knobs free. Keep all small parts safe and compare the old part to the new one before proceeding with installation. Align the new gear knob with the selector shaft and slide it on carefully, ensuring any alignment marks match. Reconnect wiring for heated or illuminated knobs and test operation with the battery briefly reattached. Once fit is verified, secure the retaining fastener and press the shift boot and trim back into place. Reconnect the battery fully, start the car, and test all gear positions to confirm smooth engagement and proper function.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.